Hello geometry students, this is number 2 from the quiz practice 1.1 to 1.3. Suppose segment XY has one endpoint at x, which is 0, 0, the origin. What are the coordinates of y, the other endpoint, if 3, 4 is 1/3 of the way from x to y? So we have x and y as our endpoints, and we have a point about 1/3 of the way, that's 3, 4. So it's 1/3 of the way. Now we want to know what are those coordinates. Well, let's go to our coordinate plane and take a look at what it looks like. Our x point is 0, 0, our origin, and then it says there's a point that's 3, 4. We'll call that point P, and that is 1/3 of the way to the other endpoint y, which is probably somewhere up here. If you think, if this is 1/3, you're going to need 2 more of those to make the whole thing, right? Okay, so if we can find our distance from here to here, and then here to here, which would be 3, 4, right? Because we're at the origin, so the distance from here to here is 3. Make a little right triangle there. 3, and the distance up is 4. Don't I just have to triple that to get the rest of my coordinates for point y? Because if this is 1/3 of the way up, and I need to go the rest of the thirds, I need to go 3/3 of the way up. I need to multiply each of these by 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, so that would be 1/3, another third, and then another third would be the whole thing. And then 4 times 3 is 12. So that would be 4, and then another 4, and then another 4, which I don't have enough room for, but that would be 12 all the way up here. So the coordinates would be 9 on the x and 12 on the y. 9, 12 would be point y's coordinates. I hope that was helpful.